Did it fail? Oh yes, it failed. Resources has never been defined. I missed this shit of a error message. No idea why it didn't work. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. It's doing something and it's again. I am now very close to finally completing this game. There's just one puzzle left to solve, and that is a big one. I'd say I have a proof of concept now. With all these mechanics and upgrades unlocked, we've also unlocked the leaderboard, which means we are now able to call time to reset and start a nice challenge. The game reset, we're back to one tile with grass. The drone can't do anything because all the upgrades are locked again, except for a few like loops and other coding stuff. And now we're not allowed to edit this code at all. It has to run by itself, completely finish the game, unlock every upgrade, including the leaderboard one, and call the time to reset again to mark our time. Now what my code can do so far is to get the next unlock in line out of all these, get its cost, and basically cycle through all the resources needed and call the appropriate function. So right now the first unlock is grass for 100 hay. So right here, next unlock is that grass unlock, and for every resource, which is the hay, we call resource to function. That's this dictionary. So for hay, we need to call function plant grass and tell it that we need 100 hay. So right now, if I speed this up, you can see that the drone is farming hay. We're almost at 100, actually 85, 90 now. So this unlock should get, bought, there we go. So another unlock is 300 hay, and the drone is working on that as well. However, after that, we're gonna try and unlock speed, and that's soon gonna cost different resources like wood or, power even. And we don't have the necessary things unlocked to actually get wood or power or whatever, right? So this is gonna fail pretty soon. Also, it's really slow, but I want to run it as fast as possible and see just how far we can actually push this. It seems that the game is having a seizure. We need 1000 hay right now. That's it, unlocked. Okay, keep going. Yeah, we're still doing fine. Now how long is... Oh, that's 34 minutes now. It's been running, basically. So clearly, this is not the way to go, right? You can actually optimize it really well to get the proper order of unlocks and upgrades you need to follow in order to, be as fast as possible. I think we should be almost done. That's almost 8000 hay we need for the final upgrade. Or is there another? There might be another actually. But clearly the drone is wasting a lot of time by doing this, right? So what we should have done is buy this expansion upgrade instead. So let's see, that should be almost done. There's another one. How many are there? Okay, this is taking ages. 2 hours. I just can't believe that the best time is 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Just look at this stupid drone just raping a single field for over 2 hours. And there we go. So, grass is at its max level. Speed, number 1, has been unlocked. I should probably slow this down. Speed number 1 unlocked, and it now needs wood. However, my code... Oh, it crashed actually. Yeah, so there's no wood in this dictionary, so it doesn't know what to do. So I'm just gonna kill the code, run abort it, 2 hours, 40 minutes, and yeah, sub 17 is the best time. And I actually know this guy actually commented on one of my videos, and he's got 300 hours in the game. Makes me feel like shit, cause 3 hours here and I just got the grass. But to be fair, I've only played this game for 18 hours, so actually quite happy with that. But man, these people do a hell of a good job. So let's make this a bit better. So if we want wood, the function is called, what's it called? Hang on, let me see. Tree planter. So I've actually got these two functions. One is a tree planter, which is much better, so we can get more wood. But we've also got this bush planter, and that's something we're not gonna have to unlock. Oh shit, no wait. So first of all, we need the plant function unlocked so that we can actually plant things. So the order of upgrades, grass, speed, that's just bullshit. we need to, I'd say, get the upgrades by price, sort them by price perhaps. So hay first, but also least expensive hay first. Yes, something like that, I guess. Anyway, we need to unlock planting so that we can plant bushes. And then once we unlock trees, we're gonna be able to plant trees. So what I might actually do in plant bushes is perhaps just say define get wood, maybe. And what that's gonna do is either call the plant bushes or plant trees functions, depending on whether we've got trees unlocked or not. So based on this guide, it should be if num unlocked of unlocks.trees is a 0, that means trees aren't unlocked, we say plant bushes, otherwise we say plant trees. So this should work, right? I think so. Now I've got this list of unlocks, so these are all the unlocks we can potentially unlock in the game, and I guess I need to sort them somehow based on the price. So we just got get cost, and if there is a cost, meaning the upgrade is not fully unlocked, we try and upgrade it or unlock it. And this is the order. And this order is shit, right? Now this works, so I don't want to lose it, so I renamed it to next unlock 2, and I'm just gonna copy this code to here. Obviously the indentation is all fucked. Next unlock, there we go. And I just want to edit this a bit. So I've got all the resources listed here in the order I think that they are in the game as you unlock them. So now just go through all the unlocks and sort them based on these resources. I'm really starting to hate this, and I kind of want to cheat and just look up the order of unlocks. But basically what I've got, all unlocks, the resources in order, sorted unlocks, that's basically an empty list, but we've got grass for start, and now I want to loop through all of these unlocks right here, get cost of each of the unlocks. If it's none, meaning we've already unlocked that, so skip that. Then for each of those unlocks, I walk through this sorted list of unlocks, and I basically need to find the spot where in the list the unlock should be. So for example, now we've got grass, and here I look at speed. So is speed cheaper than grass or not? So we've got the cost of, say, speed right here. We've got the cost of the grass right here. Now we need to compare them. Also, by the way, make sure that these items are not in the list. I think I should be able to do it like that. So if the unlock is already in unlocks sorted, you continue and skip that. Now how the shit do I compare the cost? Oh, this is gonna suck so much. I just have no idea what I'm doing, because I basically don't even understand how the game works in a way, or the freaking language, to be honest. Like, what happens if I ask about the cost of an upgrade, like how much wood is it, and the upgrade doesn't cost any wood? Is it 0 wood then? Or is it none? Or is it gonna fail? Or is it gonna explode in my face? What's gonna happen? Do I even need to do this? I don't, do I? Because this is just to make this optimized a bit, but I don't really have to bother. If I'm willing to wait 2 hours until that fucking grass shit is unlocked, I can just wait, right? Oh no, that's bullshit. I don't know, this isn't gonna work, but whatever, I don't give a fuck anymore, right? So, let's say we found a resource for which the sorted unlock cost is lower than the unlock cost. Actually, I wanted to say higher, or did I? I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. Anyway, at this point, that means that we want to insert this unlock at that index. So the index is I and the unlock is unlock, right? Then we can just break this loop. So we are here, and since we've already inserted it, we can break the outer loop as well. Meaning we probably need a boolean, right? How do you initialize a boolean? Is it just like inserted equals false? Here we say inserted equals, I said equals for fuck's sake, equals true. And here we say if inserted break. This isn't gonna work, is it? Do I even want to try it? No, that can't possibly work, can it? I don't know, this isn't gonna work, I don't give a shit. Let's just run it and be done with this. Oh, it doesn't work. Awesome. First argument. Oh, right. I see what happened. Let me edit the code. Yeah, fail this. You initialize list by using these brackets, but originally I wanted an empty list, so I said list. But later I realized I might want it to not be empty, so I put grass in and didn't change this. Right, let's try again. Nope, doesn't work. Trying to create a local variable with the name unlock, and it exists in the outer scope. Right, that's what I was worried about, because I renamed it just now. Because originally we had unlock to unlock, because the word unlock is already used. So instead of unlock, we say unlock to unlock, unlock to unlock here. Here we say unlock to unlock. What else? Unlock, unlock, and unlock. Anywhere else? I hope not. This is just bullshit. Like, it doesn't even highlight where the usages are. Did it fail? Oh yes, it failed. Resources has never been defined. I missed this fucking shit piece of a error message. So, oh, that's a typo. So fuck off. Oh, come on, this is annoying. Yeah. Resources is the word. Where was it? Oh, here. Resources. Like that. That's how you spell that. And yeah, the other times I've spelled it correctly. Again. Oh, of course. Oh, there we go. Exactly what I thought. Shit. Piss buckets. Ah, I hate this. I really hate this. So basically I said, how much in wood does the unlock cost? And it fucking fails because it doesn't cost any wood. So there's no such key in the dictionary. So I'm really tempted to just skip it. Can a list give me an index of an item? Probably not. Yeah, not in this game it seems. Oh, shit biscuits. Like, this code is already so shit by itself. And you want me to make it even shitter. This is so fucking annoying. You know, looking at these unlocks, I might be able to cheat this. What I wanted to say is, just don't care about what the resource is. Just look at the amount. And it's working mostly, but here the carrots are 100 wood and the trees are only 50, so it wouldn't work, and we really need carrots before trees. I might cheese this and just look at all the resources needed to upgrade that unlock and just take a sum of their indices. So say it's wood and carrots, that's gonna be index 1 and index 2, so the sum is 3. Meaning it's kind of the same as if it was only a pumpkin. I mean, it might work. I'm gonna try it. I really could use that index of function. So for every resource in the cost, I want to add its index to this sum. And that's gonna be resources.index, maybe? No, you probably don't know that. Anyway, index of resource. Let's just see whether this fails. Index has never been defined. Oh yeah, exactly. You have no idea what that is. So manually, I need to fucking find an index of this crap. So this should be it, right? We've got sum at 0 for every resource in whatever the cost is. You just go through all the resources, get the index, increment the sum, break the loop, and that's it. Now we need to do the same for the normal unlock. So now we have the two sums, and we just need to insert this unlock if the sum is smaller. So like that maybe? I don't freaking know. We've got all these unlocks, then we've got sorted unlocks. We go through those, and we try inserting this new unlock into the sorted list. So we find the one with the lower index, and that's where we put it. Oh, and obviously break the loop, right? I mean, sure, let's try it. It's not gonna work anyway, so why bother? Oh, look at that. Almost seemed like an infinite loop. And what do we have here? Oh, items.bones. Isn't that nice? Isn't that fucking nice? So this shitty code, fucking piece of shit, just said that bones is what I need. Bones. That's needed here. 2000 bones. How the fuck are bones there? Bones are at the end. And their, like, price number is 7. So you shouldn't really have a sum that high. You must be an idiot, surely. So where are we now? I just paused the code. What's the unlock currently? We've still only got grass. Oh, right. So first of all, no idea why it didn't work. Oh wait, I'm a fucking idiot. Oh shit, I'm a retard. Okay. So here, I'm not gonna return this because that's the last unlock, right? What I need to return instead is unlock, sorted, and the index of 0. That's what we need. And the cost of it is, I'm just gonna call it again, because we no longer know. I think it's gonna be grass forever, probably. I might just put in smaller or equal to, and I do want to know if I inserted that value. So inserted is false. Here we say inserted is true. And at the end of this loop right here, if we still haven't inserted it anywhere, we just put it at the end of the list. And also, since I don't want the grass to be there forever, I'm really just gonna say it's an empty list. And here, if unlocks sorted is empty, how do I say is empty? Is empty? No. How do you say empty? Empty list? Well, that's annoying. Okay, never mind. We don't have is empty, we say size is 0. So if the length of this list is 0, then we just append the first unlock that's not fully unlocked, right? Just like that. Now it should work. It's still gonna be shit, right? We're still gonna... Oh, what's it now? Sorted has never been defined. Unlocks sorted. Is it a typo again? Of course it is. Yeah, there we go. Sorted, not how you write that. Oh wait, was it a typo? Oh, there's the typo. Unlocks sorted. Cool. Again, nope. Add can only be used on sets. Oh, you bitch! This is so annoying. Lists. Hello again. Haven't seen you in like 5 seconds. Oh, so I have to use append. Right. There. Happy now? Go. It's doing something and it's fucked again. So add can only be used on sets. Oh, I'm adding again. Of course I am. So that's oh shit. So that's append. I mean, really, debugging in this language is just so stupid. It's taking ages, this bit. Just look at that. 10 minutes. I think I might possibly have an infinite loop right there. Oh boy. So it's been 20... Oh, and something's going on. Look, the drone is doing something. So it took 25 minutes for the drone to realize which upgrade it should go for. And most people playing this game are already done. Right, this is gonna take fucking ages. So what unlock are we actually going for? Can I find out somehow? It was the resource. Hey, okay, and how much? Expansion, hey, for 30. That was something that it was trying to go for. Oh, shit. Yeah, because expansion is cheaper than grass. It is indeed cheaper than grass, but you can't unlock it before unlocking this shit. I mean, why was I even trying? I understand that this epic fail isn't really epic or entertaining to watch. What the fuck have I gotten myself into? You know, it's kinda heartbreaking because I wasted a whole hour writing this and it's total garbage and I should delete it right now. Like right now. I mean, I feel like there's potential. It's just bullshit. How do you know if the unlock can be unlocked? Like if you've got the path to that unlock. You don't know, do you? Yeah, you can't know. So I think that this simply would never work unless, you know, I had some special checks in place, such as, okay, let's go for expansion. Try unlocking that. Oh, you can't. That means it's blocked. So let's go, you know, the thing before. Or just go through the tree and get at least one upgrade each time and keep going like that. So we would go grass, speed, expansion, plants, operators. We've got that. Senses. I think we've got that as well. Carrots, trees, watering functions, and so on. Or we could always go back, you know, and upgrade something more, but keep unlocking like that. I mean, that's so much work. I really think I'm just gonna skip this and just cheat and get the proper order of unlocks. Because there's still so much to do, because this code is just fucked. It wouldn't work. Also, this is bullshit. It's just some fragment of an non-functioning code I left in. Yeah, I gotta say, this was the first true fail of this game, of me. I fucked it. I screwed up. What can you do? Well, you know what you're gonna do. You're gonna stop watching and I'm gonna cry. That's settled. I hate this language so much.